So then, Gary, in recent videos we've been discussing the Lewden Palazzoli Xcee range of industrial plugs and sockets.
We have, Joe.
And we've got here in front of us a couple of plugs. However, I think the time for talking is done. I think it's time we put to the test all of the brilliant features that we've looked at on here by means of a Joe and Gary race.
Oh,
yeah, okay.
I like the sound of that.
So we're going to have a little think about this. We're going to have a think about who can terminate an industrial plug quickest.
Okay, brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah, loving it, loving your ideas.
However, okay, I'm just going to take that for a moment, okay, because what we want to do is we want to make sure that this is a fair race, because obviously you are a much quicker electrician than me. I've never had any problem admitting that before, okay. So you've got perhaps a slightly more conventional industrial plug for you to terminate there. What are you thinking when you look at that?
Well, I'm thinking of those two difficult screws inside there that don't quite fit Posi 2, and then you stumble around with a flat, and they seem to grip like billio, and I've just had a quick glance in yours. You don't have any screws in there.
I do. Let's be fair. I do have this little tag to pull up here, so that could take a while. Okay.
And then if memory serves me right, when I do eventually get this opened up, it's quite nice. I've actually cut off the actual seal now, so we're okay.
You've got an advantage.
I'm ahead of the game.
Absolutely.
There's a devilishly difficult cord grip in there, which equally struggles with the screwdrivers, no doubt, that you've provided me with.
Gary, I think the time for excuses is over. I think we let our electricianing do the talking.
So, Joe, the level playing field is spread out in front of us.
Yep.
Okay, just want to check a few things. Mine's 230 volts.
Mine's 230 volts as well.
Mine's single phase.
Single phase.
Okay, all right, so I take it we're a level playing field then.
Absolutely, yeah, we're ready to go. The only thing that's different between our two sets of kit here is the plug top.
Okay, let's go on 3, shall we? Are you ready?
Have a flat on the table to start with.
Steady, 3. You knew I was going to do that,
time,
didn't you?
every time, right, okay.
I'm going to do a flatter, I'm going to go for the Posi. You're not in half already, are you? Really?
Don't worry about what I'm doing, just concentrate on what you're doing.
Really?
Right, now you see, this is where you get to catch up, Gaz, because you've got the absolutely, we've both got to strip these cables, and you're a lot quicker at stripping cables than I am, so that's fair enough.
The nice thing here is we haven't got to worry about not getting one part of it on because the appliance is there, you've left half of it off and you think, right, okay, so I am I'm still going to do it right, so I would have slid that on next, so that would have been me. You look like you're already doing things with cables. God,
don't worry about it. Just concentrate on what you're doing. That's what I'm doing. There we go.
These are half back.
Nice.
We're in a good place. Right, I'm on it now.
Left your CPC a little bit longer there, Gary, as well, yeah?
Have you got a 2-hole terminal for your CPC? I've got 2. Have you got a 1?
Just the one there. It's a cage terminal, obviously, so that gives you added a little bit of reassurance when you're connecting this up, so that's all good. There we go. There we go.
Did you check the kit didn't fit for me?
Now, obviously, because I've got as well just the one end of a lead here, I don't mind slipping the back half of this on over the other end of the cable when the time comes.
Right, I'm nearly there now.
I do love a cage terminal.
I've got a screwed, so yeah, great, lovely.
I'll tell you what, I do forget how quick you are. Here I am dawdling along, not worrying too much about this part. There we go, that's nice and tight. Nice and tight, nice and tight. My OCD starts to trigger now, so I'll have to take this on and off about 3 or 4 times to make sure I've got it on there properly. Just make sure that I've got this right. Oh, there, getting that cable clamp undone. Whew. There we go. Right, and let's have a look at this. Let's get this on properly.
That's terrible.
Let's push that in. Let's get that clamped onto the cable and not onto the conductors. Leave a little bit of slack in there. And done.
Yeah, I went easy to this time, just really.
Did you hear me say done? Sorry,
yeah,
done.
I've not even got one in yet, but when I do get them in, they're going to fly in.
Yeah.
I must admit, absolutely going to fly in. So let's just drop that one.
Anything I can do to help there?
Yeah, a little bit of active.
Yeah.
I've just lost the screw for the cord grips.
I'll retrieve that for you.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't mind helping out. Yeah.
I always find these really.
It's like on the Great British Bake Off, isn't it? When they're panicking at the end and
I'm not panicking.
everyone
I'm not
helps
panicking.
each other out.
I've worked out I've come second.
Yeah.
And second is not a bad place to be.
Yeah, not out of 2, certainly. Yeah.
No, it's last then when it's out of 2.
Don't think of it as last. Think of it as second. Yeah. There we go.
I've got 2 screws here, and they always never seem to fit the screwdriver, especially the ones you give me.
And it's the one down the bottom there as well. Always seems like
it's
tucked
angled
behind the plastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can't quite access it.
It's hidden down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good stuff. Now, do you need this screw? I'm still
not
still
yet.
holding onto this screw for you here.
Right, okay, so I always like to, so I'm going to leave a little bit on that. So I always like to leave a little bit. So there. I'm going to be.
You got it?
Oh, I'll get that in at some. Oh, that's awful. Right, okay, yeah.
Oh, sorry, dropped that there. Apologise.
Like I needed it. So okay, so let's get. I've got to put it back together. I haven't done that before. It seems to have self-separated itself there.
I mean, I'm just wondering how we could have made this fairer. Maybe if I'd had 3 of these to make off, maybe that would have levelled the playing field a little bit more.
They never fit the screwdriver, do they?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's
You'd think they'd have figured that out by now, wouldn't you?
You're going to have to hold it onto the table to get some purchase on it because it just won't. It goes super. Really.
Yeah. The screwdriver's gone through the thumb as well.
Yeah, when you swipe and
Yeah.
launch yourself with it.
That's good. Yeah.
Right. So.
Did you see how long it took to do my cord grip up?
Yeah, absolutely. I can't even work out how to get mine back in.
Maintain the IP rating of the enclosure as well, which is quite nice.
I've now got that little bit of relocating. I've left them a little bit too long there, but we'll go with the criticism of that. So I've now got a.
Yeah, you want to get your pins lined up, don't you?
Yeah. So, yep. So is it that way?
See, mine just sort of twisted together.
Yeah.
Push and a twist. That was it. It's not even like a full twist. It's not even a half twist. It's a quarter twist. Yeah, and it's on there, locked in. Ready to use.
Okay, mine's done.
Oh, wow. Good stuff. Well done. Well done, Gary. Valiant. Oh, you've not done the screws up, so it's done.
It's back together.
They used to call you Arthur on site.
Half a job.
Half a job, Gary.
We'll go with that. Oh, well. Okay. So in summary, we'll have to go back to the footage to see how close that finish was.
Yep. I think if we slow down the end of the video, I think it might make this into an hour-long one.
Look out for some careful editing here. Okay, then, Joe. Well, yeah, let's roll through. So there was no competition there, was there?
Absolutely no contest, and honestly, that was actually a pleasure to do.
And I've still haven't lined them up.
Yeah.
You know the tricky trying to get into. It's only got one chance and one rotation. That's
absolute pleasure. And joking apart, I reckon I could have done about 3 of those.
Well, I've done that one.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. That cord grip is fantastic. It's even got these little spanner terminals where you can really crank it up. It's just absolutely brilliant. A really well thought out piece of product.
Okay, and there's loads of other advantages between the two. We've actually tore this down, and we've been through the factory. We've talked about the pins and how they've improved the conductivity of the pins, etc., and the build quality. Talked about the gasket, etc. And there's a lot of other fantastic features about that plug, as well as the fact that you slightly beat me on terminating it in.
It was close. It was close.
Still not together. So. Here at eFIXX, we like things that save electricians time, okay, and we believe that this Lewden Palazzoli plug will save electricians time, and the build quality maybe could be argued is incredibly better than the one.
A lot more robust, when you look at the thickness of the plastic and stuff compared with that, definitely.